Hi my friends, let's model the part number 33, pivoting connection, and you must know that the part 34 is already presented in my first tutorial from this series, and it is also part of my collection of 100 parts. So let's study the drawing. As you can see, this is a contour to be extruded, another one to be extruded, and then a plate, triangular plate, not equilateral, with a flange which is both up and down extended, and with a rounded corner, so we have to be careful with this extrusion. Okay, let's start. We start with that extruded feature, which is some like this. I apply split to cut the circle here and to convert this to construction. Now dimensions. External 68 diameter, internal 50, and this is with a thickness of 9. We'll see about this end, but I can tell you just now. I'll use 75 minus 15 to have construction extrusion to this end, and then we create the flange and apply holes. Remember 68, 50 and 9, and here is 17 minus 15. Dimensions, this is a radius, so we have to divide by 2. 68 divided by 2, internal 50 diameter, not radius, and 9. And the distance to the center point is 75 minus 15. Finish sketch, home or F6, extrude 86, symmetrical, this profile, symmetrical on 86. Okay. Now we select a plane to create this flange. There is a distance of 3 millimeters between this plane and this plane. Look here. Yes, so we create a plane 3 millimeters up from here. 3 millimeters up from there. The sign is plus, not minus. Okay, this is the plane where we create a triangle and a perspective to create a flange. I prefer to place dimensions of the centers. I place on the same horizontal, this is X horizontal, this point with this point, and I make equal these two sides. Now let's take a look at the dimensions. I'll use the center dimensions and then creating an offset of 8. Yes, 71 is from here. 71 minus 8 multiplied by 2 and 72. Let's go. 71 dimension. 71 minus 2 of 8 and 72 is here. Good. This line is collinear with this line. Yes, this with this. And now offset of 8. 8. These lines must be construction, and we apply fillet of 8 to every corner. Okay, finish sketch. The plane is no more necessary, and now let's take a look at the dimension. 14 from 3, yes, down. This is at 3 millimeters up, yes, the planes. And now we create an extrusion the other direction of 14. Okay, everything is connected here, no gaps, no problems. Good. Now there are 3 holes. A sketch, a finished sketch. Holes, what diameter? 3 holes of 8 millimeters. This point, I'll show them one by one. Not metric, this is the diameter of 8 on every of these 3 points. Okay, through. Now there is a three millimeters extrusion of a circle. Circle of the diameter 32, but where is it placed? 40 millimeters from this hole. 40. I create a sketch here with a circle with the diameter of 32 on the same horizontal. This is horizontal with this point or this point at a distance of 40 from the right hole. Okay, extrude this at 3. Okay, then a hole of 20. Hole, this face, this concentricity, and 20 all the way through. The last feature is this. I have to create a plane at a distance of 45 with an angle of 45. So I create that plane in 2 steps. The first one is to select this plane and this axis, Z axis. Then I'll place it to 135, which means minus 45. I have to write the precise value of 45, not 135 and so on. I see the angle and I place the value. That's all. Be careful. And then another plane at minus 45. Okay, this is the construction. This is not useful anymore, and now I create a sketch on the plane with a diameter of 32 to the part 32. Circle 32 diameter. Finish sketch. Extrude to next surface, which means this. Yes, not more than this. Okay, this is not useful, but it remains. And then the designation of the thread, metric 18 with 1.5 pitch. We use our tool with thread isometric 18 with a pitch of 1.5. This is a normal pitch. When you don't mention anything here, this is a normal pitch, which is 2.5, but we choose a smaller one, this. Where to apply? Here. Which concentricity? This. And the end is to this face. Yes, we cannot choose this face because it is the same. Okay, that's all. F6. This is the part, my friends. Steel carbon with aspect of steel cast and some machined faces all this. The thread is not machined, so I select polished. Yes. Oh, this face should be also polished, and also this face. Let's look again at the drawing, and we see a fillet here which was missing. We place that fillet of 5 millimeters, and then we take a look to the data. Update 1.7 or 8 kilograms. That's all for the moment. Bye bye.